Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have fantastic entertainment for you. You don't have to think about anything, get focused, make notes. Pure entertainment. 2013 Prius. It has 107,000 miles on the odometer. So everybody knows there's a lot of services scheduled at 105,000. And one of them, which is important, are the spark plugs. And this entertainment video will be about the choices you may consider if you don't know what you are doing. All of you know what you are doing, so that's not related to you. This is pure entertainment, because if you will look in your owner's manual, there is only one option and one option only in the whole universe, and it's a Denso, Toyota Denso FK16R-A8. So why I have this here for comparison? Many of you may own the Prius C. Many of you may not pre-plan this 105,000 service, and you might be in the mercy of a local aftermarket automotive store like O'Reilly, AutoZone or Napa. Well, these vehicles are not so common. You will think they are, but they are not. And O'Reilly, AutoZone and Napa will most likely not carry these ones. It will be only at the dealer. Even our dealer, where these vehicles are being serviced, they had only 6. Which is an interesting number, isn't it? If it's 4-cylinder, how come they don't have 8? I needed it for this service, so I said, hey, I better stock it here in my shop. I will buy 8, not just 4, but 8. He said, well, we don't have, we have 6 only. So I'm like, okay, just prepare me 4 for this owner, so it's done perfectly. Meanwhile, for a comparison, I want to make show for you. You will not believe what you will see. I know what's coming, but some of you may know. So grab a popcorn and let's go open these 2 spark plugs, which by Toyota standard, we know it's only one. But if you go AutoZone, Napa, or O'Reilly, there will have a whole list of spark plugs for you. Some of them will be super cheap. Some of them will be expensive, double platinum, triple platinum, whatever you want, they will have it for you, and they will say it's compatible with this Prius. So let's go open it, see the differences. You probably won't believe what you will see. And hopefully my video here will help us to see the difference. So, this is the standard, which retails for slightly below $20. So the cost of this FK16R-A8 is almost double. It's an iridium spark plug. And look, it comes with this protector. That is when somebody will drop it, so you don't hit the tip, you don't damage it, or bend it, or change the gap. On these spark plugs, the gaps are preset from the factory. You will be not changing it. You don't touch the tips. Everything is coated with that iridium, and this is the super high precise part. So far, if I'm looking on the monitor, we are actually succeeding in showing that superb, beautiful quality of Denso. Don't you love it? I'm a geek. I'm a Toyota geek. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely in heaven right now, watching this super high quality of this spark plugs. Makes me happy. This is the crush washer, which you will squeeze when you will be torquing it. Here you can see the other tip. Everything is gorgeous, isn't it? So once again, look at the tips, both of them, and look at that hook, how straight it is. And I just gave you a hint, didn't I? Well, now the entertainment and insanity comes. So this comes in the box. It's just double platinum. That gives you good warm feeling. No? If I don't know what I'm doing, I see this box and I hear double platinum. I'm melting with happiness already. I'm so happy I don't know even what to say. Double platinum, not just one platinum. My God, I just scored and it was half price over the Denso. These people who buy Denso, they must be retarded, right? Because it's double platinum. Well, the moment you open the box, you realize that you didn't score, but you made a big mistake. Look at that tip. And look at the details of manufacturing. Check out the details. I think the camera is doing a good job. Check out these rough surfaces. Look how everything is rough. That weld. Look how the tips are actually not against each other. It's completely sideways. This is brand new. You think I damaged it on purpose because I want to hurt the champion? No, I didn't. This is entertainment. I'm not promoting either of the companies. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. That, I call it a hook. This tip, it's completely welded sideways. It's not aligned whatsoever. The welds are like, I don't know even what to describe it. It's just, I guess, laughable. But imagine you didn't know what you are looking at it. You bought it because you really thought that double platinum, that's what I want. Double platinum, my friend. That's the best. Look at this, guys. This is pure insanity. You don't see this very often. I'm so happy I got it for you to see the differences. The pictures are worth of 1,000 words. I think the video is worth 1,000,000 words. Are you serious? Is this even possible? One more. Absolutely unbelievable. What is being sold as a functional item on the markets right now? I don't understand how these puppies, how it leaves the factory, the manufacturing process. Look at that. I mean, are you serious? Yep. So, The winner is obvious. It doesn't matter that this Denso cost double amount of money, approximately 20, and this is approximately 10. I hope you get the message. Please pre-plan services on your vehicles in the case nobody will have this available on the day when you decide to do it. Have it ready for yourself so you don't have to settle for this. It's incredible, isn't it? I was looking at it, it's wow, what you can buy with your money. I hope you enjoyed that. I better get going back to the car. I have a bunch of services which the owner, depending on his budget, he agreed to, so I will do those and the rest will wait for later when his budget will allow that. But the spark plugs will be done today. I'm sure that the car will run perfectly again for another 105,000 miles. That's the interval on those. It's a small 1.5 liter engine, but they are famous actually to run for a long time. It's a little hybrid thing, but they are pretty reliable and dependable. They don't have those head gasket problems like certain Priuses had. So it's a pretty good car. It's tiny, but it's pretty good. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Bye bye. Here comes the bonus footage. Everybody wants to see a bonus footage, right? Yeah, absolutely, Peter. So this is the new one. Now look at it. 107. Why is it not getting in focus this time? 107,000 miles on the odometer. Hey camera, what are you doing? What's your deal? 107,000 miles on the odometer. This is the original Denso, I read it to you. And it's better than brand new Champions. It's straight, the tips are there, they are not burned off. Unbelievable, huh? It's in better shape and it's being replaced because that's the lifetime of these spark plugs. You can check either Toyota manual or Denso web pages. It's a Denso USA. You can see these intervals what it's made for on their page 2, and I think Denso says 120 and Toyota says replace it and 105. So yeah, look at it. Way better. The brand new Champion, in my opinion. Pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, I will let you go. I know you have something to do, I will let you go. Bye.